another simulation, Jupiter versus Uranus. The planet limit works well. There's Anus 2 between Ariel and Umbriel. Just the right distance. Let's check our Jupiter. Let's see the size comparison. Jupiter versus Uranus here. Planet limit reached. Let's put the shadow side here. Quite smaller than Jupiter. Let's see what if these two collided with its moons. Let's go to where's Uranus? Here it is. There's some moons start to get out of orbit, like Oberon or Titania or something. Miranda is a moon of Uranus. Look at Anus 2. Here's our journal. 2 gas giants, 10 moons. Let's see what happens. Let's go to, I think, where is it? There it is. Here's Jupiter. Let's disable this thingy over there. Here's Uranus. Let's turn off trail so we can see our journey. In settings, also the labels too. I can see Uranus from a distance here. So let's pause the game and let's see what happens soon. Here's the view if you just stand on Jupiter's clouds and or the rings. You can see its 4 moons and Uranus. It seems to be a bright star, but it's not. It's actually a planet. And you can see some moons there. As it gets closer, it will be big as the moon, and it will collide then. Let's take a screenshot. Now let's go back for waiting. Here's a fun fact again. If you stand on Uranus, we'll see where's Jupiter. I'll turn on the label so you can see where's Jupiter here. There it is. If you stand on the surface of Uranus, you can see the Jupiter here with, I can see 1 moon. If it gets more closer, it will look like this. Oh, we lost our point of view. Let's turn on trail so let's see what will happen to these two. Now, we rated a reasonable amount of time. If you stand on Jupiter again, you can see Uranus's size of. Oh no, we got lost. Here is Jupiter. It's about the size of the moon over there. What is it? Let's turn on not the heat, that the labels. It's the size of Ganymede. So let's continue our journey. What happened to Ganymede's orbit? Or here's Oberon, one of the moons. It just kicked out of orbit. But the other planets here are just gone. Anus 2 is gone. Anus 2 is gone. What happened? What happened to Jupiter here? Some of the moons are gone. Sorry. Jupiter's gone. Did I accidentally delete it? Here's Uranus. Let's slow down time. And put Uranus into this way. It's a little bit off center. Uranus gone. It formed the ring system. Uranus just formed another ring system. Let's try ice or asteroid 2. Look at Oberon. There's a lot of moons there, or asteroids, or just look at Jupiter. It's I forgot to unlock this thingy over there. Let's see what happens over time. No, just the speed. Let's see what happens to Europa if it gets squeezed. The big collision is now on. Oberon is gone. Also Umbriel, Anus 2 is. Look! They're bringing the rocks. Look at the rocks. Now for our big collision. For real. Look at the roach limit rocks. They're just sticking around. Uranus. Moving. Oh my god, we have some roach limit. Here we go. We're now on the verge of the collision here. This is our collision. What happens if I turn on heat at the exact same time? Collision. See what happens. It's ice cold. Still not yet responding to the Umbriel wins that space race. And we have some roach limit. Boom.